In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer a domain from Hostinger to Namecheap step by step. If you're moving your domain for better pricing, easier management, or simply consolidating everything under one registrar, this guide will walk you through the entire process safely and correctly. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important confirmation steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical tech guides. Now let's get started. The first thing we need to do is prepare the domain inside Hostinger. So go ahead and log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, open hPanel, then go to Domains and click on Manage next to the domain you want to transfer. Now, before a domain can be transferred, it must be unlocked. Look for an option called Registrar Lock or Domain Lock. If it's turned on, switch it off. This step is very important because Namecheap will not be able to initiate the transfer if the domain is locked. Next, you need to obtain your EPP code, which is also called the authorization code or auth code. This code acts like a password for your domain transfer. In Hostinger, you can usually find this under a section labeled Transfer, then click on Get EPP Code. Copy this code and keep it somewhere safe because you'll need it in the next step. Before moving forward, quickly check the domain eligibility rules. Your domain must be at least 60 days old, and it must not have been transferred in the last 60 days. This is an ICANN regulation and applies to most domain extensions. If your domain doesn't meet these requirements, the transfer will fail automatically. Once your domain is unlocked and you have your EPP code, it's time to switch over to Namecheap. Go to the Namecheap website and navigate to the domain transfer page. You'll see a search bar where you can enter your domain name. Type in your domain exactly as it is, then click on Transfer. Namecheap will check the domain status and confirm that it's eligible for transfer. If everything looks good, click Continue. You'll then be prompted to enter the EPP or authorization code that you copied from Hostinger. Paste the code carefully and proceed to the next step. Now you'll be asked to review the transfer details. In most cases, transferring a domain includes a one-year renewal, so your expiration date will be extended by 1 year. You will need to pay the transfer fee at this stage. Complete the checkout process just like any normal purchase on Namecheap. After payment is completed, the transfer request is officially submitted. But we're not done yet. There's one more very important step. You will likely receive a confirmation email, either from Hostinger, Namecheap, or sometimes both. Open the email and look for a confirmation or approval link. You must approve the transfer request, otherwise it may remain pending or eventually expire. Once approved, the transfer process begins. Typically, domain transfers take between 5 to 7 days to complete. In some cases, it can finish sooner if the current registrar releases the domain quickly. After the transfer is complete, you'll see the domain listed inside your Namecheap dashboard, under Domain List. From there, you can manage DNS settings, enable auto-renew, update contact details, or connect the domain to hosting. And that's it. That's exactly how you transfer a domain from Hostinger to Namecheap step by step. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward website and domain tutorials. If you have any questions about the transfer process, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.